You said that General Mkhwanazi undermined you as his senior, am I right?
Yes.
Are you aware that as you said yourself, let me just give you that. Are you aware that the accounting officer in the South African Police Service nationally is NASCOM? Do you agree?
Yes.
Are you aware that he originated those powers from the statute? You cannot have that power at all. You only have delegated powers. Now, the provincial commissioner, Mkhwanazi or anyone else, Patekile, they originate their power like the national commissioner at provincial level. Do you agree?
Yes.
So why are you saying Mkhwanazi undermines you?
Like I'm saying, Honorable Chair, I think yesterday I did read out my delegation and then my functions, duties and functions as the Deputy National Commissioner and the legal framework that actually suggests what are my responsibilities. The National Commissioner, even in his own words, said there's no gap, there's no any other member between me and him. It's him, ourselves as the Deputy National Commissioners, then the divisional commissioners and provincial commissioners under us. So in other words, I'm a Deputy National Commissioner, I'm accountable to the National Commissioner, but the provincial commissioners and any other, they are below the Deputy National Commissioners.
Let me repeat again. So are you saying it was is correct for you to say you can come to Mpumalanga? You are senior when you come to Mpumalanga to the provincial co-commissioner?
I am.
In terms of powers, hence I'm asking you as a deputy commissioner, that the provincial commissioner, his powers comes from the state. He's an accounting officer at provincial level. Do you agree on that?
I do.
Now, when you come to the province, are you usurping, usurping his powers when you come to the province?
Not at all.
Yeah, hence I'm asking you, why are you saying Mkhwanazi undermines you?
He undermines me, because, I mean, we are both well-trained members from the college, from being a constable. You get trained as to the rank level structures. And you know which one is junior, which one is more senior to the other. And that is the case, that will never change.